Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the exercise question of the chapters is physical and chemical changes. This video is for class 7 science. So in this video, we have written the complete exercise answer. The first is choose the correct option, means among the 4 options, we have to choose the correct option. So in this video, I'm going to I have highlighted the correct answer with the red color, but still I'm explaining it. Which of the following best describe a physical changes? Means among these 4 options, means which are the which describe the physical changes? The answer is changing in shape. Now the next is which of the following is a chemical changes? Means rusting of iron is a chemical changes. Now which of the following substance undergoes crystallization? The answer is salt in solution. Now the next question is 4 number question. Which of the following is a characteristics of a chemical changes? The answer is new substances are formed with different properties. Now the question number 5 is what is the result of rusting of iron? Means iron. This is a iron oxide is formed during the rusting of iron. Now the next question is that is the fill in the blanks question. The first question is the process of changing shape without altering the chemical composition is called physical changes. Means you have to fill up the physical changes. Now the next question, second number question is rusting of iron is an example of chemical changes. You have to fill up with the chemical changes. Now the third is crystallization is a process in which the dissolved substances form solid crystals. Now the question number 4. Boiling water is a physical changes. Now the next question number 5 is during and chemical changes new substances are formed. Now the C number question is true or false. Means you have to highlight whether it is true or false. The first is physical changes involves the formation of new substances. No, this is false. Now the second number is rusting of iron is a chemical changes. Yes, true. This is a chemical changes because here new substances are formed with their new properties. Crystallization is always a physical changes. No, false. Boiling water is an example of physical changes. Yes, true. This is a true. Rusting weakens the original metals. Yes, rusting make weaken the metals. This is true statement. Now define the following terms. We have to define the following terms are given here, that is like physical changes, chemical changes, rusting. So we have written the answer in simple word. So the physical changes means a changes where the shape, size or state change but no new substances is formed. That is in physical changes no new substances are formed. So this is physical changes. In the chemical changes, second is chemical changes, a changes where a new substance is formed with the different properties. Now the third number is rusting. The slow change of iron into the reddish brown substance iron oxide when it reacts with the air and water, that is rusting. Crystallization. What is crystallization? The process of forming solid crystal from a solution. Now the 5 number is chemical reaction. A process in which new substances are formed with a new more or new property, that is chemical reaction. See here was a chemical changes but here it is chemical reactions are here, so please don't get confused here. Now match the columns. Column A is given here and we have to match with the column B. In the column A, first is physical changes, you have to match with the change in shape C. This is the correct. Now the next is second is chemical changes, means new substances is formed, and the third is rusting of irons. B is a correct option. Crystallization, that is formation of crystals. Now the 5 is boiling water, that is evaporation. These are the matching, you can match it with this in this pattern. Now the next question is give the reason for the following statement. Means the statements are given here and we have to give the proper reason. The first statement is rusting is considered a chemical changes. Yes, because a new substances form, that is the new substances iron oxide that is formed, that's why rusting is considered as a chemical changes. Now the third is boiling water is a physical changes and not a chemical changes, because only the changes from liquid to gas, no new substances is formed. Now the question number third is crystallization can result in formation of a pure substances. The answer for the question is it is because it removes impurities and forms pure solid crystals. Now the statement number 4. Physical changes are usually reversible. Yes, answer of the question is statement. It is because we can change them back to their original state, like freezing and melting water. Now the 5 number statement is chemical changes often involves energy changes. Yes, it is because heat, light or sound may be released or absorbed during the changes. Now the answer we have to given in brief. Answer in brief. The first question is what is physical changes? The answer is changes where no new substance is formed. Only the shape and size of a substance may changes. Means you have to write the point wise. First point is this and second point is this. The next question is what does rusting occurs? How does rusting occurs? Rusting happens or occurs when the iron reacts with oxygen and water to form rust. Means whenever iron Fe react with O2, it forms the iron oxide. Now third number question is why is crystallization important in our daily life? Means answer is it helps in getting pure substance like salt or sugar from their impure forms. Now question number 4, how do physical and chemical changes differs? The answer is physical changes don't form new substances, but in chemical changes it gives the new substances with different properties. Now the question number 5, prove an example of physical changes involving water. The melting ice into a water is a physical changes. See, one line answer is here. Now, you have to write the answer in detail. The question is, first question is, explain the process of rusting. How can rusting be prevented? Means how it can be prevented and what is the process? Rusting when iron reacts with the oxygen to form iron rust, that is rust is iron oxide. It makes iron weaker. We can prevent rusting by painting, oiling and using stainless steel. Galvanization means converting with the zinc. This is a galvanization is a process by metal is converting with the help of zinc. Now the next is describe the crystallization and its significance. Means what is crystallization and what is significance? The answer is crystallization is a forming pure solid crystal from a solution. It is used to purify substances like salt, sugar and also in making medicine and fertilizers. Now question number 3. Compare and contrast physical changes and chemical changes with example. See, we have to contrast the physical changes and chemical changes with example. Now the first point is physical changes. Here no new substance forms like melting ice. Okay, in chemical changes, new substance is always formed like burning paper. Now the physical changes can often be reversible. Means it can be reversible, but in chemical changes usually cannot be reversible. So these are the major point. So fourth number question is, next question is discuss the various ways physical changes can occur in substances. The answer is physical changes can happen by changing the shape, changing the state, changing the size and dissolving. See, the changing the shape means cutting paper, generally it changes the shape, and the ice to melt, generally its state changing are here. Breaking the sticks means changing size are here, and sugar in water, that is dissolving. Now last question of the chapter is how does a chemical change differ from physical changes in terms of energy requirement and new substance formation? As we know, in the physical changes, no new substance is formed. So let's the answer of this question first. Chemical changes need or release energy, heat, light, etc. and form a new substance. Physical changes do not form new substances usually and usually need less energy. So if you have any discussion or any comments, if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can comment in the comment box so that I would try to give you the answer in easy way. With this in Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.